In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly convert a WordPad document to Microsoft Word. If you have a document created in WordPad and you need to submit it as a Word file for school, work, or official purposes, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly and smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll be able to convert your file in just a few clicks using a simple and reliable method on your Windows computer. To begin with, it's helpful to know that WordPad typically saves documents in rich text format, also known as .rtf, or sometimes as plain text files with a .txt extension. While these formats are useful, they are not the standard format required when someone specifically asks for a Microsoft Word document, which usually uses the .docx file type. Thankfully, converting the file is quick and straightforward. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. Click the Start button, type Microsoft Word into the search bar, and press Enter to launch the application. Once the program is open, go to the upper left corner of the screen and click on File. From there, select Open, then choose Browse to locate the folder where your WordPad document is saved. When you find the file, select it and click Open. Word will automatically load the content and display it on your screen. After confirming that the document appears correctly, click File once again and choose Save As. Select the location where you would like the converted file to be stored. In the Save As Type drop-down menu, choose Word Document with the .docx extension. Then click Save. Your WordPad file is now successfully converted into a Microsoft Word document. Once the conversion is complete, take a moment to review the formatting. Occasionally, spacing, font styles, or alignment may shift slightly during the process, especially if the original file was saved as plain text. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the document looks polished and professional. If Microsoft Word is not installed on your computer, you can upload the file to Google Docs, open it there, and download it as a Word document in .docx format. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.